Alright guys, Mr. N here. We're still on unit 2.05 properties, numbers properties, and we talking about commutative and associative property. Commutative property shortly for any number is telling you that for any numbers a and b, when you add them you can switch places. When you multiply them you can switch places and you will still have the same answer. A plus b is the same as b plus a. A times b is the same as b times a. Think about going from home to school, from school to home, or to the store and back. Is still the same distance if you're not changing your route, right? Associative property is telling you for any number a, b, and c, if you have a plus b in parentheses plus the third number c, this is the same as having a plus b plus c in the parentheses. Same when you multiply, you can multiply three numbers, grouping them two at a time. In whichever way you want, you will still have the same answer. Let's do a few practice problems. But first, combining like terms. Okay, simplify. 4x plus 3y plus x. Which terms are alike here? Well, what do you guys see? X and x. I have 4x's plus 1x will give me 5x plus 3y. Okay, nothing else I can do with the 3y. Next one. 8r squared s plus 2rs squared plus 7r squared s. You're looking for the ones that have the variables, the same variables, but they should be at the same power. And this is 8r squared s and 7r squared s, right? 8 plus 7 will give you 15 what? R squared s plus 2r s squared, which is different. Be careful, do not combine them, okay? Next one, the third one, right? 6 times 2x plus 4y plus 2x plus 9. Well, in the next chapter we're going to talk about the distributive property, which tells that to multiply this number that's outside here to everything inside the parentheses. And you multiply 6 by the coefficient of each one of these terms, right? 6 times 2 will be 12 what? X's, right? Plus 6 times 4, 24y, right? Plus, same story here, 2 times x, 2 times 9. 2 times x, 2x, plus 2 times 9, 18. We're not done. You're looking for like terms. Okay, you got 12x plus 2x. That gives me 14x plus 24y. There is no other y. 24y plus 18. Okay, and this is it for this type of problems. We'll do more in the future classes, right? Name the property illustrated by each statement. What property? 6x plus 2y equals 2y plus 6x. You guys remember a plus b equals b plus a. What property is that? Commutative. Okay. 15 times a plus 4 equals 15a plus 15 times 4. Now we didn't, you're not going to have this property yet in chapter 2.05, but if you recall from the previous years, this is the distributive property. Distributive. Okay, 15. 1 times b to the third power equals b to the third power. Now this is a property that we'll learn in the previous lesson, and this is the identity, right, over multiplication. Identity. Alright, distributive identity. Let's see this one. 2c plus 6 plus 10 equals 2c plus 6 plus 10. But what do you see? You have parentheses placed differently in each one of these expressions. However, your numbers are in the same order. And this property is the associative property. Think about that. You're associating your numbers. You're grouping them in two different ways, while you maintain the same order in which you write them. Okay, so that's the associative property by associating your numbers in a different ways. We'll do more in class. This is for you to understand, extra preparatory videos, extra help and support. I will see you in class. Thank you.